Now, I am coming with the fourth part of general knowledge for class 8. Okay. Now in this part also we will learn about life in desert. Right? Let's start. Here is the another plant which grows in the desert area or where very less amount of water will be there. This is slow growing large cactus, has a spongy inner layer that helps it to evenly distribute the moisture. This cactus were growing slowly but very large, and inner part were very spongy which have a store water and distribute the moisture. It has shallow and wide ranging roots, that is thick and wider roots through which it can collect moisture from large area. Wider roots have been spread on the land and they can get the moisture, that is water. As it grows slowly, it expends less energy, food and water. Because they are growing slowly, it requires less energy, less food and less water. So that's why they can survive in the desert area. And the answer of this one is saguaro. It is a desert cactus. Now the next thing is that is the animal, right? Animal which is survive in the desert area. See the picture. This creature is a fox-like animal, look like a fox, that lives in Sahara and hunts at night. This animal where lives survive in Sahara desert and hunts in night. It is characterized by its large ear. Ears are very large, small in size, and a thick, long whitish to sand color fur with a black tipped tail. It is small in size, thick, long and whitish sand color fur, that is hair is sand colored, right? And black tipped tail, tip of the tail were black in color. Normally it hunts in the night, nocturnal animal. Okay, what is the answer? The answer is fennec. Okay, now the next thing is related with the desert peoples who lives in the desert areas, right? How much do you know about these desert people? See the picture. These people of the Kalahari desert survive by hunting and gathering edible plants and insects. Kalahari, where surviving can difficult and where the peoples, tribal peoples are living there by hunting edible plants and eating insects. They rarely drink water and get most of the water they need from plant roots and desert melons. Rarely they can drink water, but they are fulfill their water by using the roots and the water melon of the plant, right? And this these peoples are known as sand people or bushmen. This is a tribal people live in Kalahari. Now the next is, see the picture. This type of picture you can find out and seen in the different movies related with the Afghanistan, that is desert area. They are nomadic people of the Sahara Desert, living in the northern reaches of Mali near Timbuktu and Kidal. They are called blue men of the desert because their blue colored wheels which protect them from the harsh desert wind and sand. These peoples are living in the Timbuktu and Kidal areas where the deserts are and difficult to survive in that area, and they are called blue men of the desert because they are using blue color wheels. Wheels means a piece of thin material for covering the head and face for men and women. They are using the blue color wheels for covering their face and head, which can protect them from the harsh desert wind and sand. So that's why they are called blue men of the desert. And the answer of this nomadic people is Tuaregs. Tuaregs is the people who are living in that area. Next is, see the picture. That is, these are nomadic tribes from the Arabian Peninsula, mainly Saudi Arabia. They are excellent trackers and can recognize animal and human tracks. They can find their way in the desert and do not need a map or compass. These are Bedouins. Bedouins are the nomadic tribes of Arabian Peninsula. Peninsula is the area where surrounded with the water, mainly in the Saudi Arab. They are excellent tracker. They can track the animal and human without using map. It is a very interesting thing. They can track the humans and animals without using any kind of map. They can find their way in the desert. That kind of knowledge of that area of these peoples have to they not use any compass and any kind of map. These are Bedouins. Next is interesting facts about the desert. That is, in the desert, very interesting, in the desert, sound travel a long way because there is little other noise. Due to less people, less survivals, the sounds will travel very long. Animals that hunt there usually have very large ears. Those hunters who are living in that area, that is the animals, usually they have large ears. This helps them to trap sound waves and track down food easily. They can track down the food, the animals which they can eat, and track down the food easily by the help of these long ears. That's it for today. Thanks for watching this fourth part of the general knowledge. Thank you.